Today's task, we're working on the Fotoba XLD170WP, addressing an issue where the unit skips double black horizontal cut lines. This involves checking and adjusting the line sensors. First, turn off the Fotoba and unplug it. Remove right side end cap. Unscrew the 5 T20 screws from the end cap. Remove the cover. Disconnect the e-stop button by turning the connector 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Locate the card in the plastic sleeve attached to the inside of the end cap. Note the numbers written on it, for example, 85/85 for later reference. Set the end cap aside. Now we need to remove the red cover and brush. Using a T25 driver, remove the 4 screws from the red cover and brush. Disconnect the ground connector and set this piece aside. Locate the line sensors. Identify the 2 red laser marks on the platen. Behind these lasers are the sensors with small gold adjustment screws. Position the calibration card. Open the cutting unit. Place the calibration card noted earlier under the sensor and close the unit. Access factory settings. Go to the control panel and press and hold clear to enter the factory menu. Scroll to special settings and press enter. Navigate to read cells and press enter. Adjust the sensors. Observe the numbers displayed for each sensor, left and right. Adjust the gold screw to match the number on the calibration card. Example, if the reading is 97 and the card specifies 85, adjust accordingly. Repeat this process for the other sensor. Replace the red cover and brush. Reinsert the card into the sleeve in the end cap. Reconnect the e-stop button. Then reattach the end cap. Test the unit. Run a job to ensure the adjustments resolve the issue. Need help? If you have questions or concerns, drop a comment below. Interested in videos for the HP Latex 570, 1500, 3X00 series to 1700 or Fotoba XLD170WP? Let us know in the comments.